Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson. We are back here at Quarry Path. A worker from the NWC are currently working on a broken main that was here for quite some time. As you can see, about 4 or 5 months. And you can see the workers are here. Trying to rectify this situation at Quarry Path, and the water runs through our premises and run onto the streets along Maho Drive. But work is now on in earnest to repair the broken main. Let's follow the water trail. As you can see, it runs on this premises, as you can see here, and it runs along this section here on person's property. It was running right through here. We showed you this about some 2 or 3 months ago. Run along this segment, this section here, and it runs, you can see there, coming under the fencing onto person's property. As you can see, it's someone's dwelling where the water is running. And as you can see, remember to like, share and subscribe to WDT Media TV. They're removing excess water so they can find the actual here you can see the pipe here, the leak. And as soon as they finish work along Quarry Path, we'll move onto Amin Drive to effect repair to this leak as well here along Amin Drive, the one we showed you in earlier updates. We are now heading to Maho Drive and Hagley Park Road. Look at the work that took place earlier or yesterday. They have repaired the damaged roadway, as you can see, yesterday. And the pipe that was fixed yesterday along Lilith Path, you can see based on that work that took place, it really stopped the water flow. Those people were seen flowing here for quite a while in front of the inner city, the fitness center. As you can see, no more water flowing from here, as you've seen over and over. And this was because of the work that took place on the pipe we saw yesterday. The work that was done here yesterday at Lily's Path really helped to stem the flow of the water. Just was running earlier in front of the inner city gym there along Maho Drive.
The Jamaica Teachers Association JTA says,
and you'll be expected to see less water running in this drain soon. That's lead to out Maho Drive, so less and less water should be running in this drain. They're now compacting the area. They showed there a short while ago. Right at Maho Drive, entering into Hagley Park Road. And hopefully by the end of the work that will taking place, you're expected to see no more of this water going to waste along Amin Drive, Maho Drive, Lilith Path and Quarry Path. And literally going down the drain. You can see the work continues here along Lilith Quarry Drive actually. By Water Commission. You can see about the Calabar, so you can see there, Calabar, yeah man, Calabar worker, Calabar student. We do Calabar and Fortis are now by our drivers in sports. Because the tractor driver here is a Calabar student. And we yours truly, Fortis for life.